Devin Clark and Lyric Woods were found shot to death in September. Now, a 17-year-old has been identified as the suspect charged in their murders. Police have identified the 17-year-old suspect charged in the fatal shooting of two North Carolina teens. Isaiah Mekhi Ross is charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder for the deaths of Lyric Woods, 14, and Devin Clark, 18, Orange County Sheriff Charles Blackwood said in a news briefing shared via its official Facebook page on Monday. Blackwood shared that, after the bodies of Woods and Clark were found in September, authorities quickly secured a juvenile petition, asking for permission to charge Ross. He was deemed a suspect after authorities investigated the crime scene and gathered forensic evidence. Blackwood said the investigation caused him to believe that Mr. Ross is the person responsible for the death of Devin and Lyric. Relays WRAL reported that Clark and Ross attended Eastern Alamance High School together for a short time. Ross was enrolled in the school from August 29 to September 3. It's not clear if he and Clark knew one another. Blackwood noted in the briefing that by the time police determined Ross was a suspect, he had already left the state. However, police had suspicion of where he was going and alerted authorities in Delaware. Ross was caught by Delaware's Violent Crime Safe Streets Task Force 18 days after the victims' bodies were discovered. Once back in North Carolina, the suspect was taken to a secure juvenile detention facility located in another county, said Blackwood. Ross, who is 17, will be tried as an adult, Orange County Assistant District Attorney Jeff Neiman added during the briefing. Ross is currently being held without bond, and 2 individuals in Delaware have also been charged for harboring a fugitive. Those cases will be tried in Delaware, Neiman added. OCSO Public Information Officer Alicia Stemper said she did not believe Ross is from North Carolina and hadn't lived there long. He is said to have family in the area. Asked if Ross would be the only one detained in the case, Blackwood said, "I don't want to speculate on that right now." The next court date for the case will be on November 15 or November 16. Authorities did not give a specific date. The OCSO did not immediately respond to People's request for comment. It's not clear who is representing Ross in the case. His attorney told WRAL, "We are still gathering evidence." Authorities did not share their theories on a possible motive. When asked about rap music Ross possibly released after the murders, Stemper replied, "That's not part of the investigation into the murder itself." One of Ross' friends told Rolling Stone, "He's a good artist on the rise. That's all I know." The bodies of Woods and Clark were found in September by men riding ATVs in the area. They had been shot to death along a hiking trail in Orange County, according to a statement from the Orange County Sheriff's Office. Officials said at the time that they identified a 17-year-old suspect, but had not detained them yet. The suspect's name was also not released at the time.